Hello friends, welcome to NoteKode. Today's topic is difference between abstract class and interface. Difference between abstract class and interface. Abstract class, interface. Partially implemented class is known as abstract class. Interface is blueprint of a class. Abstract class have both abstract and non-abstract methods. Every method is always public and abstract in interface. There are no restrictions of abstract class method modifiers. We can't declare interface method with following modifiers: protected, final, synchronized, native, strict FP. Abstract keyword is used to declare abstract class, while interface keyword is used to declare interface. There are no restrictions on abstract class variables. Interface has only static and final variable. Inside abstract class, we can declare constructors which will be executed at the time of child object creation. Inside interface, we can't declare constructors. An abstract class can be extended using extends keyword. An interface can be implemented using implements keyword. Example. Here you can see class shape is declared with abstract keyword, means class shape is an abstract class, and that's why it contains abstract and non-abstract methods. Here you can see draw method is created with the use of abstract keyword, means draw method is an abstract method, that's why it does not contain any body. Interface example. Here you can see vehicle is declared with the keyword interface, that's why vehicle is the interface in which we declare a method get number of wheels. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates.